In this video, we will explore the powerful marking tools inside Notilus Steeler. Steeler provides multiple smart marking options. The first one is contact marking. Whenever two parts physically touch each other, Steeler automatically detects the interaction and places the necessary contact marks. The next tool is position marking. Here, you can define custom marking points on any parts along the X, Y, or Z directions. Whether you're preparing assembly references, alignment points, or orientation indicators, Steeler allows you to apply position marks precisely where you need them. FacePlate marking. For faceplates, Steeler offers automated faceplate marking. Start and end markers are placed based on faceplate IDs, allowing accurate identification during fabrication and installation. This helps ensure that plates are mounted correctly and consistently every time. Finally, Steeler includes a powerful Otherside marking or projection marker feature. This is used when parts do not physically touch each other, or when a marker needs to be transferred from the opposite side of a structure. With just a few clicks, you can project the required reference to any part, ensuring clarity during assembly. With these advanced marking tools, Notilus Steeler helps engineers and shipyards achieve faster, clearer, and more reliable production workflows,